Welcome to the second last day of the 2022 Lego Advent Calendar Reveal and Build. Day 23. Here we go. Oh. Will this be the completion of our vehicle of some nature? So, day 21 was this. Day 22 were the wings. And now day 23 looks like it is the last part of that vehicle. Not many pieces in this one compared to the 16 that was in the previous one. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That looks like the same as Santa's sack, except it's in the green. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And then that goes on there like that. There we have it. Day 23 build is complete, 10 pieces, and then that joins right there. Actually hasn't come up too bad. What do you think? Oh, that comes off easy. Does that move? Yes. There we have it. Then we can put one of the minifigs in there. All right, day 23. One day to go. Looking forward to Christmas Eve. Hope you can join me. Till then, bye for now.